So we're in the Jurys Inn here in Glasgow, and I'll give you a quick room tour. So it's a standard room. We have got an accessible bathroom, so I'll show you the bathroom first. Whoosh. In your room you have an iron and an ironing board. Nice large storage area there for all of your clothes. We've only got the one bed, so this is a double. You've got a phone by the side of the bed, no USB chargers next to the bed. Over here we have plenty of plug sockets available, kettle for your tea and coffee making facilities, TV, and little work area. It's quite a small room, but we've got quite a nice view. Well, ish. There's River Clyde there, and you can see the trains from here as well. Yeah, this is Jurys Inn here in Glasgow.